Okay, we're back. Here's the old one, made in the Philippines. One thing you notice immediately off the bat is the difference between the channel selector knobs on these two radios. This one has a lot more heft to it. You'll also notice that the display LEDs are a little bit different. For example, on channel 19, the new one, that bottom segment right there lights up. And the 6s also look like that. So that's kind of a random thing to change, but the 9s and the 6s look different for whatever reason. Well, not for whatever reason. It's obviously the way it was programmed, but yeah, let's put it on 20. This is with the stock Uniden mic here. Hello, hello, radio check. Audio. Audio. Look at that. Okay, let's do 40. Audio 1 2. Audio 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello. Audio. And channel 1. Audio. Okay. Again, these radios have not been modified in any way. This is stock radio, not opened up. I'm going to look inside these after I do these videos, but yeah, this is how they come. Audio, audio. This is with the caliber condenser mic from Accessories Unlimited. Hello, radio check. Hello, hello. 1 2 1 2. Audio, audio. Hello. Radio check, 1 2. Radio check, 1 2 1 2. Radio check, 1 2 1 2. Radio check, hello, hello. Radio check, 1 2 1 2. Yeah, that's to be expected. One channel over when the antenna is right there. Hello, check, check, check. Hello, check, check, check. 1 2 1 2. Audio, audio, 1 2 1 2, audio. Okay, let's do one more test with the 636L, just for the hell of it. I think these things sound better on the condenser mics, but that's just me. Here's this thing. Hello, hello, 1 2, hello, 1 2. 1 2, radio check, 1 2 1 2, radio check. Radio check, 1 2 1 2, radio check, 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello. It's gonna turn that off. Hello. Hello. Yeah. I'd say vote for the condensers, at least when it comes to these little radios.